Welcome to the IBIS Event app, your ultimate companion for an unforgettable event experience. Let's start by personalizing your experience. Head to the My Profile section to add your details and upload a photo. Networking is at the heart of every IBIS event. With the Add Contact feature, you can easily save new connections by scanning their QR code. Looking for key event details? Find everything you need in the Event Info section. Plan your day with the Agenda feature. View all sessions and add them to your calendar for reminders. Got a question for the speaker? The Q&A feature connects you directly to the moderator on stage. Add your name for a chance to be acknowledged live on stage. The IBIS Event app offers even more. Explore partner information, speaker bios, and more. Download the IBIS app now.